I came to HydraForce. I was just flipping through ads trying to find something after I'd been laid off at another job. Found something with hydraulic experience, which I had. Decided to come on in, and they took a shot on me on a testing position, entry level, even when they didn't have anything. So it was wonderful for them to give me this opportunity. We're actually opening a new facility. That's been part of my project too. So we're growing that, adding new production facilities up there, new storage facilities, new inspection facilities. We're growing every day. We have a stock ownership program. So we're heavily involved. Everybody's an owner. So it's nice to have something that you can hold on to. You want to invest yourself in this company, so you make it better, so you actually have a piece of it as well. Our HR department's always come up with new ways to kind of keep things current too, so it's really nice. Definitely take the opportunity, give it your all. It's going to give you back 10 times what you give in. Our products, the people I work with, it's just really nice to be in an environment where people care. It's nice to come to work every day. I'm Jason Christensen. I've worked at HydraForce for 7 years, and I couldn't be happier.